Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to save HTML file in PDF. If you have PDF file, it show HTML, so it's opening in HTML. There is a two situation I show you. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and comments below. Okay. So here you can see I have two file. One is HTML. You can see this HTML file, and one file is a PDF. But if you have PDF file original, if you have PDF file, okay, you can see from just right click on file. Okay, and you can see it is PDF file or not. If it is PDF file but it is opening in HTML, or it is not show PDF format here, so you have to just click right and go to the open with and choose default program. And if you find here Adobe or any other software, you can click on it, or you can find if you find other program from here, you can find Adobe or any software you have in computer. Just select and make sure it should be tick mark. Okay, tick here and done, click OK. So this file will be show in PDF. But in another case, if you have HTML file like this, like web page or anything, so how you can save it as a PDF? So first we have to open this file. So it will be open in like URL, like your computer URL, and it will be open like this. So your net should be on because it will be load from internet. Okay, so it is opening now. Now if you want to save as a PDF, just go to the three dot and go to the print. Okay, I'm showing you in the Chrome browser. Okay, so you, if you have Chrome browser, you can use Chrome browser. So now you have, it will be preview here. There is a lot of page show you. So just select save as PDF. By default maybe selected as a send as a one, whatever, but you have to select as a save as a PDF. Now select page. If you have one and more page, you can select all. If you want particular page, you just click on custom and click page number. You can select page number by one, or if you want to page, select page number 1 3, or you can select randomly page number here. Okay, or 1 or 5 8. Okay, so just select page number. And layout, you can select landscape. If you want landscape or portrait, you can select and just click on save. Then it will be saved on your computer. Okay, now you select folder and just save it. You have to select paste. Save type will be by default Adobe, but if it not show, you have to select Adobe from down arrow and just save it. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.